Recording. Yeah. Once again, very good morning and thanks being joining. Okay. So as been it's a different time, but thanks everyone being your okay being part of this session. Okay. As part of today, yesterday we discussed about uh, one major concept like what are the most important things we need to take in care before you go to the installation. So let me recap everything. Okay. In a short term. Okay, I hope. Okay, first thing you will get the SR request or work orders or CRs. That depends on your organization to organization. It will vary. Either you will get the service request or you will get the work orders or you will get the change request. What is the service request? What is the work order? What is the change request? You no need to worry. We are having a separate session called ITL process where we are going to cover complete about this ITL process, agile methodology, waterfall methodology, all that stuff. Okay. Once you got the new build request, technically we'll call it as a new build. Okay. So new build request. Major thing we need to remember is version, edition. Okay. Version, edition. Okay. First thing, version, edition. Okay. You got it. Now, one more major part is standalone or cluster. This is also very important point, sir. Whether I want to install in standalone mission or I wanted to install in cluster mission. I wanted to install in cluster mission. So anyhow, we are going to discuss of the cluster part. No worries. We are completely discussing about the standalone instance. Means if something happened to this server, enter your SQL will down, but not like a cluster. In cluster, if assume these are the two servers, if this server something happen, no worries, your services will move into the another service, another server in the clusters. In the clusters, if something anything happened to this server, no worries, all your services which are running here, it will move into the another server where it can take the responsibility. But this is the standalone. Means if something happened here, entire your entire your SQL goes down, enter your SQL will goes down. So that almost this is a standalone installation we are going to do. And also, okay, I am not deep diving because there are a lot many other components as well that comes into a little bit more technical part. As of now, remember version, edition, and standalone installation or cluster installation. When you go for other like a high availability like log shipping or mirroring or clusters or replication, we will discuss again what are the things we need to take in care if you are installing SQL for so and so concept. Okay, please make a note down. That is also one important point. One more thing is, okay, service accounts. This is very, very important. And components, service accounts. Yesterday we discussed a lot about the service accounts. So maybe they will maintain a common service account or they will maintain a separate service account. In case you will get a chance to create the ticket to create new service account, okay, they will tell the process how to create the ticket as well. Everything you no need to worry. That's the first thing. Now, once you service account and also one more thing is components. What components we need to install? Components we need to install like SSIS, SSRS, SSAS, along with the full text service. So what components we need to install? That is also very, very important. Means based on our component, again you need to do little bit thing additionally. So for example, you wanted to install SSRS. Once you install SSRS, our job is not yet done. You need to configure SSRS. You need to create the encryption passwords, configure SSRS, grant the permission at site level, folder level. You are having a number of things. Okay. So if you are just simply creating SSIS, okay, we are having from 2012 onwards one more concept called integration service catalog. Whether we need to enable integration service catalog. If you wanted to enable again, what is the encryption password? So there are some dependencies if you go for each components that we will discuss later. What are the components we need to take in care as a DBA? Not development, sir. We are not part of any development. You are not developing anything. But as a DBA, This is our responsibility to install all these components and make sure that all components are need to be run healthy. Okay. And how the memory configuration. Again, today itself I not completed everything about the installation. Now no more we will discuss about the installation our throughout journey. No. Okay, that is not at all the concept. Still, we are yet to discuss lot much that you can't understand right away in the initial phase. Okay, so just remember these are the major key points we need to make a note down. Okay, when you are going for the regular installation, when you are going for the regular installation, make a sense, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
Subbu. Yeah.
no? Okay, and what components we need to install. And one more major thing is file locations. File locations like data files, log files, okay, tempdb, backups, where we need to keep it, and application data. In case application data, you should keep a separate folder, and they need to taken care in the separate folder, not in our SQL related files. Permissions, okay, permissions. So one thing, please make a note on, sir. Yesterday I not discussed. Okay, this service account, whatever the service account you are using for to run the SQL services, you make sure that this service account need to have Active Directory administrator level permissions, not local administrator level permissions, sir. Okay, that's what. Wait for clustered session. Okay, you will get to know how Active Directory looks like. Okay, how they will create the service accounts and how they will grant the permission at Active Directory administrator level. What are the things they will take care? We will see, sir. No worries on that part. So one important point you need to make a note down. All our service account need to have Active Directory administrator level permissions, not local administrator level permissions. Not local administrator level permissions. Please make a clear note. Okay. So when you go to the computer management, sir, okay, earlier, like Windows 8, Windows 8.1, where you can see the users and groups. Now, no more, sir. From Windows 10, Windows 11, you're not able to see the users and groups. Earlier, we used to see the users and groups here. This is my local computer. This is my local computer. So, in local computer, there is a users and groups. Under the users and groups, there is a local administrator. So you should not, that is not a best practice to allow the service account at the local administrator level. You should grant the permission at Active Directory administrator level. That is also one best thing you need to remember. So all these things, again, I will discuss in the clusters, live cluster sessions. Make sense, everyone?
Yes, Subbu. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And which authentication mode you need to use? Mixed authentication mode. Okay, SQL authentication mode. Sorry, Windows authentication mode. So mixed is nothing but you can also call it as a SQL. Either I need to go for SQL authentication mode or I need to go for Windows authentication mode. And basically you will grant your login as a permission, sir. These are the major things you will consider before you go for the installation. If you have all these concepts, you're good to proceed the installation, sir. Any questions till now?
Yeah, good, Subbu.
No questions?
No,
And
Subbu.
and you know about the instance, okay? You know about the instance. Okay, standalone means within this server only it will applicable, so not in other servers. Means if suddenly something happened to this operating system or anything, enter your SQL will down. Standalone instance. Okay, we will let you know, sir, one by one. Okay, what are the major things you need to? So, for example, if you wanted to install SQL Server 2022, SQL Server 2022, okay, hardware and software requirement. Search every version, sir. Search hardware and software requirement. Okay, either it can be 2022, 2019, 2017, 2016, 2014, 2012. Search the hardware and software requirement. You will get a clear information related how much GP of RAM is needed really for your SQL instance. Okay, if you wanted to install Express Edition, okay, 512 MB is fine. If you wanted to install like Standard Edition or Evaluation Edition, minimum 1 GB, sir. Maintain at least 1 GB of RAM. Anyhow we are using 4 GB 8 GB RAM on your laptop, right? That's good. Minimum 1 GB of RAM is good for your SQL instance. And make sure that, okay, your processors, at least you should use one core, okay, with 1.4 gig of speed, processor speed, gigahertz per speed, your processor speed. If you are having this much, how you can get all this info? MS Info 32. Whenever you go to the server, search with MS Info 32, you will get to know mine is running with 12 core i5, okay, with 4.5 something megahertz speed it is running, sir. Okay, and 8 cores with 12 threads. Okay, and I'm having almost 16 GB of RAM. Okay, it's good for me to install the SQL Server. With this configuration, I can install two instance or three instance or four instance because I am not sussing lot, right, my SQL Server. So I can install two, three, four instance in my server in my laptop with this configuration. I'm good. But minimum try to install three instances on your laptop so that you can practice log shipping, mirroring, replicate everything you can practice on your laptop. You no need any additional things, sir. Again, the people who wantedly they want to do, okay, create the VMs. I need to create the VMs. I need to do that one, this one. Sir, in real world, you never get a chance to create the VMs. Just concentrate on SQL. Why to concentrate on other stuff? Okay, I can straight away I'm telling, instead of concentrating on other concept, try to concentrate on SQL. In VM also you are installing SQL. In your laptop also you are installing SQL. What is the change you will notice? Nothing changed, sir. How you are working in your laptop, in real world also you are working same algorithm. So do everything on your laptop. Why unnecessarily you need to spin your VM, spin your laptop by building the complex VMs? And everyone is having doubt. Okay, I need to build the clusters. I need to build the always on. Okay, I need to know about that stuff, this stuff. Most of the people are getting this worrying about all these concepts, sir. Okay, it's okay. One time, okay. Twice, okay. Thrice, okay. You can do. Let's after that remove everything. Install SQL on your laptop. Practice everything. Only clusters always on is not your entire DBA career, sir. There are a lot which you need to know. Okay, please make a note down. Just see in my mission, I just install only one instance. Only one instance is installed in my mission. I'm good. I can do everything in this VM. And if I wanted to practice log shipping, mirroring, replication, I can install two more instances in my laptop. I can do practice everything except clusters, except always on. You can do everything in your laptop itself. If you don't have highest configuration, Jobu, what I can do, sir? Only two things you can't do. Always on clusters, but rest everything you can do in your laptop. Out of 100%, 80% you can do in your laptop, except the 20%. Not 20%, only 10%, sir. Clusters always on almost same only. See, forget about how to create the VMs, network, that one, this one. That is not at all your scope. In real world, 90% you never get a chance. Only 10% you may get a chance, but that 10% we are discussing a lot. Okay, please concentrate on SQL firstly. Either you are installing on VM, either you are installing on your laptop. Both are same only. You will download and you will install. Apart from, please. After class, we'll go outside. We'll go outside. Go. Go, ma. Go. Today is the lengthy. No, please, please. We'll go outside. Okay. Sorry, sir. No, this second session, right? That's why she's crying. If one session, she's okay. Okay. Chalo. So I hope you are getting what I mean to say. You can do everything on your laptop, sir. First, concentrate on your laptop. You no need to worry any additional stuffs. That and all you won't do in real world. Maximum you never get a chance, sir. Please concentrate on SQL. There are a lot of things you need to learn. Okay, please make a note down. That's what just wanted to tell. And anything I feel I'm missing, components we discussed, directories we discussed, versions, editions, standalone, service accounts, components. And sir, not only this one, there are post installation, pre installation best practices, sir. Again, best practices. Pre installation best practices I discussed, sir. So what are the pre installation? Make sure that make sure that okay, before you sir, database engine itself is a costly engine in entire this SQL. Database engine is a costly. If you are installing analysis, reporting, integration on the same server, you may face little bit performance issue either in the database engine or in this other services. That is also comes into the picture. All these concepts I will discuss in the advanced level. Okay, in case sometimes your cubes. So in analysis service, especially in analysis service, they will create the cubes, and the cubes are getting failed due to lack of memory. That time you need to troubleshoot. Okay, so because uh, uh, maybe the you not properly configure the memory, due to that lot of memory is allocating to the database engine only, and there is no memory to spin the cubes for analysis services. Due to that, the cubes are getting failed. That time, how you will think, that is very important, sir. Means how to allocate the memory to the analysis service. This is your analysis service. How you will allocate the memory to the analysis service. All this stuff also very important. This is very important. How you will design the memory to the analysis service. How you will design the memory to the SQL server. All these are very very important. In straight away today itself, you won't get all this stuff. Okay, what are the things? What are the best practices? Okay, just 1 second, sir. Okay, so we will discuss in keep on our entire 70 to 80 sessions. We will discuss one by one, one by one, one by one. Then finally you will get a clear picture. What are the things we need to take in care? Okay, when you are installing SQL Server, otherwise it will impact the performance. Sir, if you not properly configured SQL Server, if you not properly design your database, okay, your performance will impact not only queries. Most of the people are looking on the queries, query tuning. Sir, what you will tune if you not properly configure your instance, if you not properly configure your database, and how you what you can tune in the queries or what you can see in the query, correct? Yes or no? You are running query in the SQL, that too in the database. If you not properly configured SQL, if you not properly configured database, how your query will run smoothly? How you can expect that performance? Okay, that is how our understanding should be. Not only just looking like a okay, my queries are running slow. I wanted to get how you will troubleshoot. See, most of the experienced people will ask me, okay, will you teach that one, this one? Okay, like that one means okay, you will teach log file, tempdb, okay, query. First of all, you know how to install the SQL Server best practices. No one is asking. Till now, no student asked me what are the best thing we need to take in care while we are installing SQL Server. I hope you are getting my question. Everyone is just want, okay, TempDB troubleshoot, log file troubleshoot, data file troubleshoot. You are troubleshooting, you are showing me CPU, you are showing me memory, you are showing me always on, what about SQL, sir? If you're not properly configured SQL server, will SQL will give you best performance? Even your queries are perfect, your indexes are good, your TempDB is good, everything is good. Will SQL give you the best performance? No, right? So our thought process, not simply whatever we are seeing the high level. Just we are seeing the high level, sir, not internal level. No one is looking internally. External looks. Externally, you are getting whenever you go to the somewhere and you will search like Java, .NET, some technologies, right? Like same when you go and search, okay, you will get to know CPU, memory, IO, query, TempDB, log file. Okay, done. But what about internals? Okay, that's that is very important, sir. So what are the best practices you need to follow to the SQL server? You need to follow to the database that will makes your performance to run very smoothly. Okay, we'll discuss one by one. Today itself, you will get to know, no, sir, it's highly impossible. One by one session, we will discuss one concept. You need to clumsy everything. Then you will get to know, okay, these are the things we need to take in care before you install the SQL server. Out of these couple of concepts I explained, what are there, sir? Data files need to be separate drive, log files need to be separate drive, backups need to be separate drive, application data need to be in separate drive. Okay, tempdb need to be separate drive. That is the one major best thing. Okay, SQL need to run with the service accounts. How the SSRS, SSIS are using by your application team, how they are using, that is also your performance will vary. So, for example, your database engine is a complex. Again, your analysis engine is also complex, and both engines are running on the same mission. Obviously, you will notice the performance issue, irrespective of your queries. That is no one is looking, sir. Clear, everyone?
Yes, clear, Subbu.
That's what our understanding should be a little bit always changing, sir. Straight away we won't get ideas, but at least experience, make somewhere note. That's what I told you, right? Make a note everywhere, make a note. Notes is very important. I love the notes because somewhere if I forget also, somewhere I can get it. So somewhere I will keep whatever I got it. I will keep somewhere. Means I will write all the documents. No. But sometimes whenever I'm searching with that kind of, then definitely I will go this somewhere I already saved, right? I will get idea. Like you will also get ideas, sir. Okay, that is the one thing. Now, this is basic installation. Again, I am not saying high level installation, sir. Okay, I am not saying that this is a high level installation. This is the basic installation. Again, I will come back installation in multiple times. Okay, when you are going for clusters, when you're going for always on, I will come back installation, right? That time you will learn little bit more. Next time you will learn little bit more. Finally, you will learn what are the best thing you need to take in care while you are installing SQL Server. After you are install the SQL Server, both are important, sir. Pre, post, pre installations, post installations. These are very important. Okay, these are very important. Pre installations, post installations. Make a sense, everyone? Yes,
Subbu, which
yes.
edition we can use for practice?
Evaluation edition, sir.
Okay.
Evaluation edition is best.
All version we have to try, right?
No, both evaluation is equal to enterprise edition only, sir.
No, I'm saying about version.
Oh, version, any version, no worries.
Subbu,
Practice.
developer edition is fine.
Sorry.
Developer edition is fine.
Yeah, fine. Developer
Okay.
edition. Practice with the 2019, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
2022. Why I'm not saying no? 2022, Microsoft introduced lots of improvements. Okay. Some scripts won't work in 2022. That until we complete 2022 improvements in the advanced level, I will complete. I will take a session, sir. 2 to 3 days I will cover only 2022. That is awesome features has been introduced into SQL Server 2022 internally Microsoft. So try to do in everything in 2019. Okay. So 2022, once we complete that future session, you can install SQL Server 2022 and practice, sir. Or if you are installing SQL Server 2022 also, no worries. That is up to you, wish, sir. No worries. Because anyhow, we are not discussing tuning right now. We are discussing backups, recovery models, log shipping, mirroring, replication. It's almost the same in all the versions. No worries. Okay. Note down. Any versions are practice, but practice 2019, 2022, 2017. These are the last, latest three versions, right? Clear? Okay. That is the one thing, sir. So now in real world, okay, in real world, what what you will do basically means, okay, you will go to the server and you will install the SQL server. That's right. You will go to the server, you will install the SQL server. Now here in real world, you are having the binary files. You are having the binary files like yesterday I showed you, right? So they will store, they will, is there a, I created any folder, binary folder? No.
So binary files means a network location.
A location of your set of files or all your set of files like SQL related set of files, patches,
So we
patches.
created a SQL binary folder yesterday and
Yeah, yeah.
shared it. Yeah.
Okay. You can go to this path. Currently there are nothing, sir. Instead of that, let me go to our binary, sir. Okay. So I'm having the SQL Server from SQL Server.NET 7.0, sorry, SQL Server 7.0, 2000, 2005, 8, 12, 14, 16, 17, 19, 2022, and SSMS. Okay. So what you people need to do, right? Go to the SQL and click on SQL Server download. Okay. SQL Server download. You will get the Microsoft block for SQL Server downloads. Here, okay, here you will get SQL Server on Azure, SQL Server at edge locations, okay, IoT applications for this one, and SQL Server on on-premises. So this is the one, okay, set of file where we will use in real world, okay, in real world. So now click on download now. Once you click on download now, it will directly go to the SQL Server 2022 only, sir. Okay. So for example, I don't want download SQL Server 2022. I want download Express Edition. I want download Developer Edition. Okay. I want to download Developer Edition. I want to download Express Edition. Okay. Scroll down, go to back, and if I want download 2019, okay. It's little bit difficult to go to the 2019. It will point to the directly latest version sometimes. Okay. Yeah, it's going to the 2019. Let's see, it will go to the download setup file somewhere. Come on, downloads. It's going to the 2019 only. 2022, I hope. Yeah, it's go to the 2022 only. That is the biggest challenge here. At
I
one
think it
time,
will be there. So Microsoft downloads. See,
Microsoft.
I mean, in the Google, they mentioned SQL Server downloads, right? You can see.
Yeah, yes, but it will point, sir. Only one thing. It will directly point to the latest version. That is the one biggest thing. See, it will point to the latest.
That
Get
is ebook, right?
books, download infographics. I don't want.
Because I have already installed 2019 from this website only.
Get started with the 2019. Let's click here. click here. Yeah, finally we got. Okay, just keep this location handy, sir. Okay, no need to search here and there. Okay, handy your group to download SQL Server 2019. Okay, here you will get scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Yeah, this link is the best, sir. Use this link. Even I will also keep it in SQL. Okay, what I will do, I will create a folder called download. Downloads. Okay, and I will move this file to here. Good. Okay, sir, here you can go to the SQL Server 2019. You can go to the SQL Server 2017. Here you can go to the SQL Server 2016. So just once you click here, for example, I want download 2019. Here, just click on Start SQL Server, Get SQL Server 2019, and just click on Download exe file. Try SQL on Azure. This we'll see in the Azure discussion, sir. Go for traditional setup. Click on Download exe file. You will get one more new window. Here you need to provide your username. Okay, just your name. Okay, email address, whatever email address, sir. You can provide the random email address as well. That is up to your wish. And company name. Okay, region India, and provide your description DBA, and country code India, and provide your mobile number. Come on here, where it is going. Okay, and click on download. Anything is missing? Oh, sorry. Oh, company size. Sorry. Download. Okay. So click on download. So it will download one exe file. Okay. Try to open that exe file, sir. Once you open the exe file, now it will ask you to download the edition, evaluation edition. So this evaluation edition works for 6 months, sir. After 6 months, you need to uninstall SQL, again reinstall SQL. It's a lifetime free. It's a lifetime free, sir. That's it. So if you want to do practice on your laptop, just download once. Just after 6 months, uninstall the SQL, again reinstall the same set of file. Okay, it will work for next 6 months. Again, after 6 months, uninstall, reinstall. Okay, so click on download, and if you just click on ISO file and choose where your location, if you click on download, it will start the download, sir. It will just start the download. If you want, I can download. Just click here. It will download. Okay, it will download. Anyhow, I already downloaded, sir. I don't want. Okay, I don't want to download again. So this is the first thing you need to download, the SQL Server setup file. First, you download SQL setup file. Okay, once you download the SQL setup file, okay, so now go to the setup file, open the setup file, sir. This is how your folders looks like on the setup file. So you will have 1033 NULP REG okay, district, okay, and resources, tools, x64, and you will finally see the setup file. So before I go and install directly, sir, let's go and see what is there in SQL Server 2005. We'll see one by one, sir, folder level. Okay, if you go to the SQL Server 2005 setup file, okay, if you open the SQL Server 2005 setup file, okay, and let me open one more window, sir. Two windows I will open. Come on here, why it's not canceling? Okay, let's go to the 2019. This is a which one? Which is 2019, sir? Go to PC. Okay, this is my 2019. Come on here, I don't want this. Open the new tab. Okay, now see, sir. Okay, this is 2005. Okay, when you open the setup file, this is how it looks like. This is SQL Server 2019, and this is how it looks like in 2019, sir. Okay, folder structure has been little bit changed. When you go to the SQL Server 2005, you will see SQL Server x64, you will see SQL Server x86, and you will see SQL Server Itanium. See, earlier the core processors, okay, Intel core, right? Either nowadays we are using AMD processor, Intel processor. Mostly we love the Intel processors. Okay, so earlier there is a Itanium processor, which is no more now no more. Either you can go for 32-bit operating system or 64-bit operating system. Now there is no 32-bit operating system. Now we are completely 64-bit operating system, sir. Now you won't see 32-bit. See, x86 is nothing but 32-bit operating system, sir. Now no more you will see the 32-bit operating system. It is completely 64-bit operating system. Now you will see only 64-bit setup file. Earlier, earlier your SQL is compatible for 32-bit as well. If your operating system is 32-bit and you want to install SQL Server 32-bit, you can go and install SQL Server 32-bit. That time you need to go to this folder, go to here, go to the servers, and you can go to the setup file. Where is setup file? Yeah, setup file. If you want to install 32-bit, if you don't want to install 32-bit and if you wanted to go for 64-bit, go to the 64-bit, then go to the servers, and you will have the setup file. Okay, earlier, olden days, olden days. Now no more 32-bit, sir. No more 32-bit, only 64-bit. So before I go and install SQL 2019, let's see, let's go for 2005, sir. Okay, 2005, and go to the servers and go to the setup file, sir. Okay, go to the setup file. So this is how your Windows looks like in 2005. This is how your window looks in 2005, sir. Let's see whether I'm able to open 2019 setup file. 2019. 2019. Yeah. Now see, sir. This is how 2019 setup file looks like. Let's do one thing. Okay, this is SQL Server 2005. How your window looks like. This is how SQL Server 2019, 2012, 2014, 2016, 2022. This is how your window looks like, sir, from SQL Server 2008 onwards. From SQL Server 2008 onwards, this is how your window looks like, sir. Mostly, this is how your window looks like. But when you go for SQL Server 2005, this is how your window looks like. But you can't install SQL Server 2005 on your laptop, sir. It will definitely fail. It is not compatible. Your operating systems are not compatible now for SQL Server 2005. So that's the reason I told you, right? Every version, there is a hardware software requirement. So here you will see what operating systems are compatible to your SQL servers. I am installing SQL Server 2022. If you wanted to install SQL Server 2022, you need at least Windows 10, at least Windows 10, not Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows Vista, Windows XP. If you are having Windows 8, Windows 8.1 operating system, you can't install SQL Server 2022. You can't install. Means you need to first upgrade your operating system. Later on, you can upgrade your SQL servers. So what is your hardware and software? Very important. Hardware is nothing but CPU, storage, memory, and software is nothing but what operating system, underlying operating system on that server is very important. So if you go for 2019, okay, Windows 10 is the default. If you go for SQL Server 2016 and 2017, either any one of these, you can install in Windows 8, Windows 8.1. 2016, 2017 is compatible. Sir, this is your laptop configurations. Okay, basically in real world, these are the servers OS. These are the server OS. Okay, Windows Server 2000, Windows Server 2005, Windows Server 2012, Windows Server 2012 R2, under again Windows Server Essentials, Data Center Standards. Okay, in Windows Server 2016, Windows Server 2022. In real world, we will install servers. In real world, we will install servers. In your laptop, you will install normal operating systems are Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 8, Windows 8.1. But in real world, you will see the servers. Almost same only, but those are server operating systems. So those are server operating system. This is also very, very important. In real world, you will install in Windows 11, Windows 8.1. No, sir. You never get a chance to install this. You will get install in the Windows servers flavors. Okay, everyone?
Which one is mostly used? Essential data
The
center.
standard will go for standard or data center, sir.
Okay.
They Windows, your operating system, they will go for standard or essential. And so data center.
So what is the difference, sir?
I don't know, sir.
Okay.
I'm not up Windows side. I not look
Okay.
into that stuff. Okay, nothing to worry. They will go for their as per the Windows standards, as per their SQL version needs. So they will choose the which flavor they will go, sir. Mostly they will use standard or data centers, like how we are installing Windows 8.1, Windows 8 Pro, Windows 8.1 Enterprise. Okay, got it. So they will go in real world. Will go for Windows servers. Please make a note down. This is also very important. So once you are okay everything, now if you go to this set of files, okay, now first what you need, sir, first let's try in 2005, sir. Okay, we'll try in 2005, then I can go for 2019. Click here. I accepting all the license terms and conditions, then click on next. Once you click on next, you will get one new window. Okay, SQL Server component updates the installation components called Microsoft SQL Server native client, Microsoft SQL Server 2005 support files. Click to install. So all these components also it will install, sir. Along with your services, it will install these two additional components. Okay, what is these two components? You will get to know. Click on install. Okay, it is not installing. Okay, come on. It is just prerequisite. It is checking all the prerequisites, sir. You need to just click on next. Okay, then only. Okay, no worries. See, you are getting continuous pop-up. The program compatibility assessment. Oh, it is not compatible, sir. So you will get keep on that pop-up. No worries. Ignore that pop-up. Okay, as of now. Click on next. Okay, it validated all these features like .NET framework, IAS. Okay, and it will verify the Internet Explorer requirement. Okay, WMI requirement. Okay, this is also very important. So WMI, SQL Server operating system. It will check all the pre-checks, and total 14 checks it has been done out of 14, 12 are success, 2 are warning. Warning means no worries, sir. You can proceed the installation, but you got any failed. What is that failed? Then you need to work. You need to work. Mostly, sir, 99.99% installation checks it won't fail, sir. Okay, until unless you done something at server level. Not you, sir. Maybe someone who not properly installed your operating system. They not installed a properly operating system. They not configure properly operating system. Until unless that time only this warning will fails. Otherwise, no. In case any warnings, you are not doing anything, sir, because before you installing only you are getting some warnings. That is very good. Try to contact your Windows team. Hey, these are the warnings we are getting. Can you please help me? We are unable to proceed our SQL installation. That is their responsibility. Okay, so whatever the pre-checks it is doing, that is their responsibility, Windows team responsibility. So once you're not got any errors, then click on next. Okay, so this is how you need to drive the migration, SQL especially. So here it is asking license key. I told you, right? So by default you will get the license key. See, sir, This is how your license key looks like in real world. In real world, this is how your license key looks like. Okay, you will get the license key, sir. In case if you're not able to cracking that license key, go and check with your application team, provide the license key. So they will provide you the license key, and whatever the license key they are providing, just provide here. Okay, this technically you will call it as a volume licensing key. Based on this key only, Microsoft is going to track, okay, about your SQL. Then click on next. Now here, what are the components I need to install? I told you, right? What are the components I need to install? SSRS, SSAS, integration service, database engine. What are the components you need to install? It is asking the pop-up, sir. See, database engine service, analysis service, notification service, integration service, workstation components like books online and development tools. And even you click on advanced, you will get, okay, uh, uh, again here, uh, important concept like, okay, if you click on, okay, here what you will get means then, okay, where you need to keep your data files, where you need to keep your replication, what feature, so where you need to keep analysis data files, where you need to keep the notifications. So here, this is how your Windows looks like in older versions. That's what I told you, right? When you are installing SQL Server, not only SQL Server enhanced SQL Server versions, is enhancing .NET framework as well. What do you mean by the .NET framework? Means this framework, sir, is enhanced a lot. These frameworks, like how 2005 installation looks like, how SQL Server 2019 looks like. See, when you go to here, how it looks like, how this is look like. See, you are seeing the variation, right? And lots of variation. Like every version to version, the Windows little bit enhancing by Microsoft while you are installing SQL Server. So almost same, sir. The concept is same. Only the dashboards, the screens will little bit differs, but concept is same. What are the components? Where we need to keep all the files and everything. All this stuff are very, very important, sir. Then click on next. Oh, no features. Go back. So select the database engine, analysis service, integration service, notification service, bookmark, then click on next. For example, click on next, and it is asking default instance or named instance. See, first time when you are installing SQL Server, you will go for default instance. Next time when you are installing SQL Server on the same server, you will go for the named instance and you will provide the name. Prod, dev, test. And if you wanted to check how many instance already in this mission, you can check here, sir, installed instance. So currently one instance is already running, which is 2019. 15 means 2019, which is already running in my laptop. So
So we can use two default instance with the different versions we can use.
no. Only one instance, default instance. Either it can be any version.
But you have already installed on a default instance in your system,
No,
right?
I am not saying that I will install default. I can't. It won't allow.
Shall we try?
No, it won't allow.
Okay.
No, can you please click next so that we can see?
No, installation itself won't happen, sir. This 2005, right?
Okay, okay.
I can
Oh,
give you.
okay.
I can try here. I can
Okay,
try
okay.
Yeah.
here. The installation itself won't happen. It's 2005, right? That's the reason I'm telling. No, sir.
Okay, okay.
No, only one default instance. Why? That's what I told you, right? Default instance is nothing but your computer name.
Hmm.
Okay.
So
How you
I
can?
thought if there is a different version, it allow. I
No,
thought.
no, sir. Even it
Okay.
can be any version. No, only 50 instance you can install. Either it can be any version. Only 50 instance you can install.
Hmm.
Any edition, any version. Only 50 instance you can install. Out of that, one will be default. 49 will be named.
Got it.
No, I just wanted to show you the screen, sir. How 2005, how olden days, like 10 years ago, how we are installing SQL Server. In 2023, how we are installing SQL Server. The improvements, what Microsoft done. That's what I just wanted to show you. Got it? No? Yes?
Yes,
Now,
Subbu.
I can't go for default instance, sir. Let me choose. For you sake, I just selected default instance. Then click on next. Okay. Okay. So see, existing components. So already in my mission, I'm having SQL Server database engine, and also I'm having analysis engine. Then click on next. Okay. Errors and reports. It will pop up like this. Just okay. Click on next. Click on install. SQL Server setup, preparing the making sure requirement the configurations, and your installation started, sir. But it will fail. Okay. It will fail because Windows Server 2011 is not compatible for SQL Server 2005, sir.
Do we have the crack for 2005?
Yes.
Okay.
If you want, you can. So, but no, that's what I told you, right?
I'm having
Uh,
that. So
no, I'm also having, sir, but I won't use all that, sir. Why I need? Yeah, I'm already having crack. Come on, sir. No error. Warning also not showing. Earlier we used to get multiple warnings when I installed this one. And now this time, no.
So Subbu, if we install two servers, 17 and 19, so there in this scenario we can be having two default instances, right? For
No.
17 and 19.
No,
No?
sir, no. It won't install our database engine. No worries. No, only one default instance you can. How you can make one name for two SQL instances? How? Now it started pop-upping.
Because it is a different version, this is different version,
Even
right?
though
So
it's a different version. So, for example, if you wanted to connect with this name, now tell me which version I need to connect. 2015 or 2005? How you can tell to SQL? Hey, I don't
but
want 2019. How
then
you?
we'll be having number, right? So we like here it is showing 15. For that it will be some different number, 13,
No,
I guess.
how you can connect? How
Okay.
here I am having only one instance. Now it is
Connection
connecting.
manager, it won't show. Yeah.
How you can so
Okay,
how you
okay.
can connect with one name? Two
Oh,
different. No.
okay, okay, got it. Yeah.
It is doing all additional stuff, sir. It is doing all additional stuff except database engine.
Okay.
Okay, where is my mouse? Come on here. One second, sir. Okay, now it's working. Okay, so here, okay, here what Microsoft is doing earlier means I just wanted to highlight that point as well. Okay, where is our here? Okay, when you go to the RE disk, okay, here you will see the Visual Studio cell. Okay, not this one. Yes, I'm so sorry.
.NET framework.
Oh, this is which version? Oh, this is. Let me go for this folder. Okay, tools. Okay, server REGIT. Okay, here you will see Microsoft itself is providing .NET Framework 2.0, sir. Earlier, Microsoft itself is going to provide the .NET framework along with the setup file as well. Means if I want to install .NET framework 2.0, again you need to go here and there and search for .NET framework 2.0. Okay, again you no need to go here and there. So Microsoft itself is providing .NET framework, sir. Earlier versions. Nowadays, no, sir. Windows team is by default installing .NET frameworks, be it say SQL servers. Be it say SQL servers, Windows team knows everything, sir. They will by default, Microsoft itself is providing the latest SQL servers, .NET frameworks which we need. Okay, that no need to worry. Earlier, Microsoft used to provide this information, and lots of binary files. We'll see one by one in the coming sessions, which you will learn one by one. So, like here, we are having couple of things are very important, like SQL serve.exe, SQL os.exe, SQL lang.dll, exe, SQL bang.exe. Couple of exe files are very important, which are running in the background for us, which are doing certain works. Okay, when we are going for SQL OS level architecture, okay, that time I will discuss couple of exe files which are so important and doing lot of background work for us. Doing lot of background work for us, especially, sir. Okay, still it's keep on going. Okay, no worries. And only one strange thing is it's not showing the error this time. Installed. No, it won't install, sir. Funny. Okay.
It will show error like
No, it will show, but that's what I'm also getting shocked why it's not
yeah.
pop-upping error. Otherwise, it will show every time pop-up, sir. It will pop up. Okay. So if that is how 2005 will work, sir. Okay. But when you specially go to the installation, everyone must and should know about three things, sir. Okay. Three things. One is major part is okay. Whatever we discussed till now. One more thing is when you go to the installation, Microsoft enhanced the installation, sir. Enhanced installation. What do you mean by that enhancement, Subbu? Means okay. When you open the setup file, okay. Now you're here, you are seeing that install the reporting services, install SQL Server management tools. Okay. Earlier, these two be part of this installation only till SQL Server 2016. Till SQL Server 2016, reporting services, management, SSMS. Management tool is nothing but SSMS, sir. These two things be part of regular installation only. But from SQL Server 2016, these two has been separated. Separated means integration service, reporting services has been separated because of in SQL Server 2016, Microsoft came up with the Power BI concept. Power BI. This is the next generation of reporting services, sir. Okay. This is SSRS, SQL Server Reporting Services. Okay. There is one more separate tool called Power BI. So Microsoft came up with the concept called Power BI from SQL Server 2016. So one of the major reason, okay, let's separate Power BI. Sorry, let's separate reporting services from regular installation. That is your choice, sir. Now your choice. Either you wanted to install reporting services, you can go and install. Either you want Power BI, you can go and install Power BI because it is not been part of our regular installation. Microsoft has been separated reporting services from SQL Server 2016.
17. Okay.
Yeah, 16 he came, but when you go to the future, when you open screen, 17. SP2 somewhere he came into the reporting services separated, sir. Okay, main screen.
So Subbu, we can see this in from 17 or 16.
16 you will see in internal only, sir. We can open the setup file. That's what I just wanted to show you one by one. Okay,
Okay.
it is strangely showing Finish it, finish it, finish. Then it is asking next.
Maybe it will install.
Finish. Finished. No, I also getting shocked then. Open configuration manager. Open services.msc. This is okay. See, no, it's not installed, sir. Only one service you are seeing. No, not sure. Very strange thing. This time, no pop-up, nothing. Okay, good.
Then where did? So it's strange. So then where can we see? I mean,
No, nothing. It's not installed. Don't install, sir. Only one default instance in one server. Simply it's shown. Maybe I'm not sure why it is not warning. Good thing. Where it went then? Where it went then? Can I
it will create any folders.
see in C drive? That's what I'm looking, sir. In C drive.
Like we can check the logs right in the setup bootstrap.
Logs. Which logs? This logs.
No, we get that like log right setup bootstrap.
That's what,
That
sir. You need to go to the Microsoft SQL server.
yeah,
You need to go to the being 2005, right?
yeah, correct.
2005 means 90, sir. Sorry. Okay, 2005 means 2000 means 80. 2005 means 90.
90.
2000, 2010 and 2008 and 2008 are 200, sir. 8 setup bootstrap. Okay. Uh, where is reports? Bin? No, nothing.
Logs.
Logs. Oh, logs. Sorry. Logs.
Summary.txt.
Summary.txt. Open. Let's see what you will see. Setup succeeded with installation instead of log compatibility.
Strange.
Very strange. First time even.
See, it is showing something. It is already
SQL
installed.
Server features will not be installed for installation. Install SQL Server feature in IIS. Blah 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 something. Rather than here, let me go to the temp folder, sir. Okay, under temp folder. Come on. Yeah, under temp folder, it will write the SQL setup.log. Oh my god. Gimmick language. Come on, yeah, it's even not right here. Successful. That's the one thing, strange thing. Successful. How come it's successful?
Is that replace the
No, no,
2019 by
But
2005?
it
no.
is saying the setup like it is not showing the Divi engine, right? Like it is
No,
showing
see.
some other files, right?
See, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Here. Are you able to see?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like setup support
See,
files, right?
see, Microsoft SQL Server setup support files successful.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying, Subbu. It is not saying that SQL Server,
That's
right?
what database engine it won't, sir.
Okay.
So
Database engine.
it is showing us a failed to find the ASP.NET version registration something.
No, that's strange. That's
That's
what I told you. These are not compatible. This
okay.
Windows 11 is not compatible. Windows 10 is not compatible to the SQL Server 2005, so not compatible. No worries, sir. You never get a chance to work for 2005 installation. Okay. Will you really need to spend some time here?
No.
No. I feel no, sir. I feel no. A waste of our time only. Why means you never get it. Never, sir. Not 100%. I'm telling 150%. I'm telling you, never get a time, never get a chance in real world to install SQL Server 2005.
Until and unless
2000,
that application is so
no,
old that it is.
even application is also no, you won't install, sir.
Oh yeah, yeah,
They already installed, they are already working.
yeah, correct.
Yeah.
So how about like 2008, same like 2005?
No, sir, little bit change in the dashboard when you especially go to the 2008, sir. Let me exit this too, sir. Okay. Let's go for setup file. One by one setup file I will open, sir. Okay. That makes sense, right? 2008. Okay. Okay. Go to the SQL Server 2008 setup file, sir. This is 2008 setup file. This is 2009 12 setup file. Okay. And let's open 2014 setup file. Okay. This is your 2018 setup file. Hmm. No, this is
Can we
2000.
install two instance parallelly?
Can we?
Install the two instance
No,
parallelly.
two setup files. No, sir. No, no, you should not install like this. No. Okay, you are just opening to see the screens, different screens, sir. Okay, this is 2000. Which version this is?
2014, 2008, 2012. Left bottom it is shown.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, here it is showing. 2014. This is 2008. This is 2012. We'll see one by one, sir. This is 2008 window. How it looks like. This is 2000. Okay, 12 window. How it looks like. Come on, yeah. How it looks like. And this is 2014 window. How it looks like. Almost similar only, sir. Almost hardware, same, almost similar. But go to the installation here. Go to the installation here. Go to the installation here and see, is there anything you will see? Okay. And the installation different. Till 2014, no, sir. From 2016 only little bit enhancement done. Come on, yeah. Oh, it's what it is doing. Oh, it's not clicked. Oh, okay. Okay. Now here you will see new SQL Server cluster installation, standalone installation, cluster installation, upgrade. SQL Server standalone installation, cluster installation, upgrade. SQL Server standalone installation, cluster installation, upgrade. Means till 2014, almost the windows are same, right? Yes or no? Till 2014, sir.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Now, what is the difference you will see in 2016? Okay.
This is
Especially,
RS.
okay. Oh, now this is, I don't want this one, evict. This I don't want. Okay, done. Now this is 2014. Okay. Now go to the SQL Server 2016 setup file. Okay. And go to 2017 setup file. Anyhow, you are installing 2019 only, right? No need to worry. Okay. So now close everything. Okay. This is your SQL Server 2014. What about 2000? Yeah. It, why this much slow? This is 2014. This is 2017. And this is 2016. Okay. Now go to the installation window, sir. We need to go to the installation window. Okay. Here you will see one new concept called management tools. Management tools. But here you will see reporting services, management tools. Okay. Reporting services has been separated from our regular installation. Reporting services has been separated from the regular installation, and management tools has been SSMS has been separated from the 2016 itself. Now separately you need to install SQL Server management tool. Earlier it is been part of this installation itself. Earlier, so
So
if some
2017 only the SSRS separated.
SSR has been separated from SP to somewhere, sir. Okay, somewhere. Okay, because Microsoft came up with the Power BI concept in SQL Server 2016.
Okay.
2016. So SSRS has been separated. Uh, no worries, you can tell directly 2017 also. SSRS, SQL Server Management Studio, okay, some other tabs which are introduced from SQL Server 2016 only. Before SQL Server 2016, from SQL Server 2016, Microsoft enhanced a lot. What are that enhancement means? When you go to the installation, there is a new tab called TempDB. So you can configure TempDB while you are installing SQL Server itself from SQL Server 2016. But before SQL Server 2016, okay, once you complete your installation, you can go and configure TempDB. You can go and configure TempDB. But in SQL Server 2016, you can configure TempDB while you are installing SQL itself. That is a one great modification done by Microsoft. Enhancement done. I don't want to later. Let it be do with the installation itself. TempDB configuration. I will show you, sir, once we start the installation. Okay. Here, no, clear. Okay. Let's close all the windows, sir. I don't want confuse everyone a lot. Okay. Let's go for basic installation, sir. First, go for SQL Server 2019. Okay, 2022, I will show you when we are discussing cloud, sir. Okay. Now, this is how your setup file looks like. Let me close everything, sir. I don't want all this stuff. Okay, this is how your setup file looks like, sir. Okay, you can just click on System Configuration Checker if you wanted to check your system, entire system configuration is compatible with this SQL Server 2019 or not. So it done 8 checks. All 8 checks has been passed. In case anything is failed, you need to contact your Windows team. You need to contact your Windows team. And these are all okay. System level checks it will do, sir. 8 checks had been done. Everything is passed. First thing, okay, I am super good. Next, go to the installation. As of now, you no need to worry about these two parts, sir. All these parts. Let's focus on the standalone. In real world, in real world, 90% you will install standalone installations. 95% you install standalone installations. 90 to 95% you will install standalone installation. 5% you will install cluster installation. Now no more clusters, sir. Now we are not preferring cluster at all. Why? Why we are not preferring? All that we will cover in the session itself, sir. Cluster session. So nine very rare case you will get a chance to configure C colon cluster. Again, I'm repeating C colon cluster. You may get a chance. Very rare case. Very rare case you may get a chance. That too, I am telling only 5% you will get a chance to install C colon cluster. Now this is your normal installation, a traditional installation, a traditional SQL Server installation. This is not cluster installation. Okay. Again, I'm repeating, right? 95% you will get the standalone SQL installation. Why, Subbu? Why? Why not we are going for cluster? When you go for cluster, there is advantages, right? In case in case my VM goes down, I can run the SQL in different server in clusters. But in standalone, if this goes down, that's it. Then why? There is one major logic, sir. Okay. When you are going for standalone, you can store your data local disks. Local disks means you can store your data in your local disks. But when you go for cluster, SQL on cluster, okay, you can't store your data in local disks. You need to definitely go for shared disks. That is most dangerous. If any one of the shared disk down, entire your SQL will goes down, irrespective of cluster. That is the most dangerous part with the clusters, because when you are installing SQL on cluster, you can't store your data in the local disks. You can't store your data in the local disk. That is the most, okay, disadvantage with the cluster. Otherwise, fantastic. Means you can't store data in this disk. You need to create the shared disks, and you need to store your data in the shared disks only. That is the biggest challenge with the clusters. Okay, so we will discuss all that stuff in the cluster levels, so no need to worry. So why we are preferring that 95% standalone Subbu means this is, sir. Now tell me, clusters are important, standalone is important. Ten minutes, 20 minutes, Nana. Are you there, online people?
Both
Yes,
are
yes.
important.
Standalone is important, clusters are important.
I mean, depends on the scenario and also.
No, sir, that's what clusters is almost die, sir. Dead, almost dead,
We
almost
can
dead.
use always on, right? Always on without
Always
cluster.
on also you can go for standalone, sir. You never install always on cluster servers. SQL on cluster. I am not discussing servers. I am discussing SQL. Cluster server is different. SQL on cluster is different, sir. Hope you are
Okay.
understanding. There are two logics. Cluster server, SQL on cluster. Both are different. I mean to say, what is dead almost is SQL on cluster. SQL on cluster is dead. No more.
Okay.
Please, Nana. 10 minutes. Please, please. I will give mobile. Go and bring the mobile. Yeah.
Subbu SQL on cluster means
And that's what.
on-premises SQL?
No, sir. No, sir. Will SQL on cluster means you already build the server in the cluster. On that cluster server, you are configuring SQL on cluster. Means on top of cluster, SQL on cluster. Means the installation little bit different, sir.
Okay.
Little bit. You will get the IP address. You will get the virtual names. All that stuff.
So just like adding a node, right? You're saying that?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
So this is standalone. Okay. That's what, sir. We'll see. No worries. Okay. So that's what I mean to say. Okay. The people who are experienced people, we are thinking that okay, SQL on cluster, it's already dead, sir. 2 years ago itself, it dead. Once Microsoft came up with the concept called always on availability group, it's already dead. From SQL Server 2017, it's almost dead. From SQL Server 17, it's almost dead. From SQL Server 2017, no need cluster to build always on availability group. You know that one?
Subbu, you mean the FCA, right? That SQL and
Yes,
cluster is FCA, right? Okay.
let's see. You
Yes.
no need any cluster if you wanted to install always on availability group from SQL Server 2017. That's it, sir. Okay, no worries. First time listening, you will lots of get confused, sir. Just leave it about all. Okay, no healthy installation, sir. Very simple. Okay, do the healthy installation. I don't want confuse all that stuff. Where is our setup file? Oh,
You closed it.
yeah. Shit. Okay, let me open. Okay, let me open. Okay, now, sir, you are installing standalone installation, sir. 95% you will get this only, sir. Please make a note down. First time you are listening. Okay, this we will discuss lot. You no need to worry. You know it over a lot. We will discuss almost uh, 1 week we will spend on these concepts. Okay, clusters concepts only. 1 week. Too good for you, sir. Okay, in and out we'll discuss with the practicals, no worries. Okay, click on new SQL Server standalone installation or add features to the existing installation. Means I already having one instance in my laptop, sir. For that instance, I wanted to add a feature. That that time also you will go here, you'll go here, or if you wanted to perform new installation also, you will go here. You will go here. Okay, please make a note down. First time you are installing, you will go here, or you already installed SQL Server, you wanted to add some feature, you will go here. Okay, please make a note down. Okay, then click on standalone installation. Then you can close this window, sir. You know it. Okay, so once you open that window, you can close this window, sir. No need any windows. Only this window is, it will drive complete your installation. Okay, now it is asking to check any updates. Maximum, sir, on all your servers, on all your SQL servers, maximum there will won't be any internet connection, sir. They will block the internet connection for SQL servers, especially servers, because we are maintaining data, right? To maintain more secure, they will block the internet connection. When you are installing SQL server on your laptop, you can just click here, sir, and click on next. It will start checking the updates. Okay, checking the updates, and it will get the if any update is there, it will get the updates, and it verified all the checks, everything's okay. Then click on next. Now perform a new install for SQL Server 2019 or add a feature to the new existing installation. In my mission, already one instance is installed. If I wanted to add a features, for example, you install only database engine. You not install reporting services, analysis services, integration service. And you wanted to install integration service, analysis service, reporting services to this installation. That time you need to go here. Otherwise, go to perform new installations. Okay. So if you want to add any features to the existing installation, you need to go here. If you want to install new installation, you will choose this option. You will choose this option. Before one thing, I missed that point. Sir, before you start the installation, better go to reg edit. Okay, I missed this point. I'm so sorry. Okay, before you, Arey, one second, sir. Before you start the installation, please, as a best practice, take the registry backup, sir. Registry backup. Okay, take the reg edit backup. Registry backup for safe side. For safe side, sir. You are not guarantee whether your SQL installation will success or fail. Okay, sometimes if your installation got failed and you wanted to uninstall the services which has been installed, that time sometimes it won't uninstall, sir, until unless you need to clear the registries. That is the biggest challenge troubleshooting you may face sometimes.
Subbu, we may not have that privileges to take the backup and all
You
those things.
will have, you will have. You are the you are the administrator, sir, to the server.
Okay.
No, you will have the export. You can export.
Okay.
99% you will export, sir. No, without any issue. So this is the one best practice I am telling. Don't forget, sir, because we struggle a lot when we are uninstalling the SQL Server couple of times. Okay, we are when you go to the control panel, when you go to the control panel and we are trying to uninstall the SQL. Okay, uninstall the SQL. We are uninstalling again. It is getting back. We are uninstalling again. It is getting back. We restarted multiple times. We uninstall again, it is getting back. Then finally, we need to go to the registries only, sir. There is no other choice. We need to go and verify. Uh, these are all the registries. Sir, don't touch the registry keys now. Again, don't touch the registry keys now. These are a very uh, uh, sensible points, sir. You should not touch the registry keys until you know everything. Okay. So if I wanted to uninstall, if you are unable to install, very rare case this challenge. That time you need to right click here, go to the find, search for SQL, click on find. You will get what are the uh, uh, registries you will see related to the SQL. You need to click here, right click, delete, go to this one, SQL, right click, delete, go to this one, SQL, right click, delete. All registries you need to delete if you wanted to uninstall here. It took for us 4 to 5 hours to uninstall one service. That's the reason I told entire in my project, take the registry backup safe side before you install the SQL Server. If something happened, we can ask Windows team to import the registries. Okay, are you there?
So if the installation fails in between, also same scenario, Subbu.
No, installation failed and you are unable to uninstall, sir. That is only challenge.
Okay.
Mostly it will uninstall because I faced one scenario to uninstall analysis service.
Okay.
And we took almost 4 to 5 hours to uninstall that analysis service, and I need to reinstall that analysis service.
Okay.
That time I went to the registry, search for SSIS, search for analysis, and went to each and every component and verify whether analysis keyword is there or there not, and deleted. Uh, Too much challenge.
So if it fails in between or like in the end also it
In
is failed, so
fails,
that is
it's
a
a different. Sir, fails no registries.
okay, okay,
Uninstall, you are struggling, then you need to work with the registries.
okay, okay.
Uninstallation. Okay. For that only safe side I'm telling to you, take the backup registry backup before you start the SQL installation. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So now I am installing new SQL Server installation, sir. Then click on next. Okay. Now here you will get the in real world you will get the product key where you need to select, or someone directly they can provide you enterprise edition, standard edition. You can select this one. Okay, select this one. I can select the developer edition, I can select the evaluation edition, or I can go for the express edition. Up to this your wish, sir, which edition you want to do. Go for, mostly I will prefer evaluation edition. Go for evaluation edition, then click on next. Okay, click on accept license, then click on next. Okay, now this is the most powerful window, sir. Here come the window starts. Now, what are the features you wanted to install? You wanted to install. Okay, that is the one thing. So here two features are there. One is instance feature, one is the shared features. One is the instance features, one is the shared features. Every installation, every new installation, you need to install instance features, sir. Every new installation, you need to install instance features. But shared features, okay, sir. This for common. This for common. So one time if you install in the server, it's fine. If you install one time, it's fine. You no need to install multiple times, sir. These are the shared features which are commonly coming. So these shared features are common for all the SQL servers. So that you no need to install, sir. Only one time in one mission. In one time in one mission, because these are helping your connectivity, all that stuffs are apart from nothing else it is doing. Okay, but instance feature every time you need to install. Please make a note down.
Subbu, like in this one, where can we see like Power BI feature?
No, the Power BI is separated, right? You need to download Power BI separately.
Oh, okay. I mean, you mentioned like SSRS is separated, right?
SSRS has been Power BI not at all you will see in the setup file, sir. You need to
Okay.
download separately Power BI.
Okay. I thought it will be there in the future.
No Power BI. Analysis service, integration service.
Okay.
Analysis service, integration service. Sir, Power BI, no, you need to download it separately, you need to install it separately, you need to work separately, sir. That is.
Okay.
Mm, mm. 10 minutes now. Okay. So you need to go for the database engine. First, our main service is database engine, replication. Okay. In case if they want to run the Python code in our SQL, they want to run the R language on the SQL, they wanted to run the Java language on the SQL, you need to install missile level language. You need to install missile level language, sir. Otherwise, no need to install missile level language until someone is come to you and ask, I want Python, I want R, I want Java. Okay, if you wanted to install any one of these component, you need Java client, sir. First, you need to install Java client. Once you install Java client, then you can go and install the Python or R language or Java language. On SSMS itself, you can run the Python code, you can run the R language code, you can run the Java code. Okay, so that's what Microsoft integrated our SQL Server into missile level language. Integrated into missile level language. In case you want, you can install it. Otherwise, ignore this part. Full text service. In case if you are there asking full text service catalog, then you will install. Otherwise, you can ignore it.
So what is
In
that? Like full text and semantic
full
means?
text, that's what, sir. I will discuss on Monday. Monday, what is
Okay.
this all services will do? Okay.
Okay.
Now let's select the feature. That's it. We'll discuss, sir. Anyhow, Monday. I need to explain what is this client tool SDK, distribution relay, client, all this, right? I will explain you, sir, one by one.
I feel you are in hurry mode, so I thought you are.
No, I'm just need to select the features. That's it. Not
Okay.
hurry
Okay.
mode. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Actually, my wife is suffering from fever and the baby is crying.
Okay. Okay. Mm.
Okay, chalo. Okay, so full text search is like a index only, sir. Basically, uh, whenever you what I mean to say.
Or else, like we'll discuss on Monday only. So, like you can
No,
just.
no, no, no. What I want to do. So I am forgetting the block. So for example, you open one block, sir. Okay, I will show you on Monday. If you open the block and you are having the drop down button here. Okay, drop down. You will see drop down, right? Whenever you open any sites or any apps, you will see the drop down, right? Whenever you are clicking on drop down and you are getting some keywords here and you are searching with any one of this keyword to improve these kind of drop downs, we will enable the full text service catalogs for that improvement, sir. Basically, if your application team is having drop down their application and they are passing some keywords for that drop downs, if you wanted to improve the performance, they will enable the full text catalogs. It's like an index only, sir, but but not like our traditional indexes. It's not like our traditional index. It's something else it is doing. Okay, you will get it, sir, in our coming sessions. Okay, so if they are telling you install, otherwise you no need, sir. You no need to install. And data quality services. What is this data quality? All this stuff. Monday you will get it, sir. No worries. And if they want a polybase, means you want to integrate your SQL to Hadoop, big data clusters. Okay, external tables, external tables. Then you can go for Polybase, Polybase. Otherwise, you won't install. Okay, 85% you never install this one, this one, this one, sir. 85% in real world. 85%. Only 15% you may get a chance to install this component. Till now, okay, I ask most of the than experienced than me. Till now, no one installed this product in their environments. There are, but you are using or not using, that is up to your project. But if you wanted to install, you need to install the Java client. Java client. Okay. Once install the Java client only, it will fulfill.
So is this a
Otherwise,
feature for getting the data from SQL to Hadoop?
external tables, or if you wanted to
External
create the
tables. Yes, yes.
external tables, okay, I am trying to bring one session on external tables, sir. It's not
But,
easy, but let's
but for
try.
HDFS means file system now, so not tables things, right?
Sorry.
HDFS means file system, like it's not table thing.
Okay, yeah. So, but when you go for Hadoop, what you will call, sir?
I mean, generally in Hive, like we can call it as external table, Subbu. Yeah.
That's what. If you wanted to, in SQL, we'll call it as external table, sir. Basically, in SQL,
Okay.
we'll call it as external table, and we will try to enable the polybase kind of stuff.
So you are trying to say in SQL it is external table,
SQL,
right?
SQL,
Okay, okay,
not
okay,
in Hadoop. I am not discussing in Hadoop.
okay, okay.
Basically, like Azure Data Lake.
Yeah,
If you go for Azure Data Lake, okay, Azure Data Lake is also like integrating Hadoop into the storage, Azure storage.
yeah. So
Okay,
those things will be in the file formats. Yeah.
yeah, file system only. But in SQL, we'll call it as external tables, sir. External tables.
Okay,
In
okay,
SQL, I am telling, not in Hadoop, sir. Okay.
okay,
So if
okay,
you want to integrate with R language, Python language, Java language, and Hadoop language, we will enable all these features. Otherwise, no, no,
okay.
no. And analysis service, if they are requesting, we'll enable. Otherwise, no. Even in machine level language also, yes. If they are wantedly asking, we'll enable. Otherwise, no. So what are the commonly you will install in real world? Database engine, replication. If they want full text service, you can select, sir. Again, I don't want to. It is not making any harm. It is our server only, services only. If you are installing full text service, okay, let's install. Later on, we can configure. Later on, we can configure in case they are need. We can configure. No worries. Okay. And shared features, these are very important, sir. We need to discuss little bit about theoretical part, otherwise you can't understand what is this data quality client tool connectivity, integration service. Okay. Integration service, analysis service, and Power BI or MSBA technologies, sir. Okay. MSBA technologies. And the data tool backend compatibilities, client tool SDK, okay, distribution relay controller. These, if you are installing also, healthy, sir, because these are mandatory. We need to install. Okay, here and there, something is helping in the back end, because it's sometimes difficult to remember each and every component what exactly internally is doing. Okay, so better if you are installing master data services, client SQL client connectivity SDK, distribution relay, client tool SDK, client tool backend compatibilities, client tool connectivity, data quality clients. Nothing to worry. These are our services. These are our services which are helping in the backend. What exactly these services are doing? No worries. I will discuss in the morning session. Sorry,
But these
Monday.
services are
Monday.
grayed out, Subbu. Like we can't
No,
do
I
anything.
already installed. No, I already installed, sir. Already in
Okay,
my mission. I told you, right? These are the shared features. Only
okay,
one time. Only one time. Next
okay,
time onwards, you no need to install, sir. Only one time at that instance level.
okay.
And these are helping in the backend for lots of other activities like connectivity purpose, backend connectivity purpose, forward connectivity purpose. These tools are helping. Like if you are using data quality tools, okay, that tools, these services are backend are using to make your healthy connectivity. So majorly, okay, except this mission level language, full text service, polybase, okay, polybase, you can install all the service. In case they're wantedly asking analysis service, you go and install analysis service. Integration service you can install, sir. It's a is a shared feature, one time installation only. You can install integration service. Questions?
No, Subbu. Yeah.
So what is this features will do? Monday we'll discuss.
Yeah. So my
And
only question is, what we need to do if the installation fails in between? So that's only my question. So
you will get it, sir. No
yeah,
worries.
yeah, okay.
Yeah. Monday I will explain. So this is your binary location, sir. If you want to whatever the installation you are doing, right? All the binary files need to go for so and so. By default, it will go to the C drive. By default, it will go to the C drive. If you don't want to go to the C drive, if you wanted to change the location, yes, sir, you can go and change the location to D drive. Okay. Okay, if you want to do, I don't want go to the C drive, I wanted to go to the different location. Yes, sir, you can go and install the different drive. Okay, that is a one thing you need to remember, sir. In real world, also suggest them create a separate drive like a E drive, which is having only like a 10 GB, 20 GB, and keep all your binary files under that drive, sir. That is also so safe. That is also so safe instead of you are keeping in the C drive, sir. You know, C drive, if something happened your operating system, first first C drive will get affected, right? So better don't keep your binary files also in C drive, sir. Better try to encourage, okay, in the separate drive. You no need any, you no need any uh, like huge amount of disk size. Only 10 GB, 15 GB is fine, sir, to keep you are keeping all your binary files under the separate drive instead of you are keeping in the C drive. Clear? That is also one best practice we need to follow, sir. Okay? Not okay. Then click on next. Once you select all the features, then click on next. Okay, no worries about all these features. Monday we are going to discuss. Now I told you, right? You need to provide the instance name. Only one default instance per entire server. Only one default instance. Okay, per entire one server. See, you will get the pop-up. You will get the pop-up. You can't proceed, sir, because already default instance is installed. MS SQL Server is a default instance. So if I want to install one more instance, you need to select the prod or dev or test. Okay, instance name. You need to provide the instance name, sir. Provide the instance name. Every instance contains the instance ID. That is also same. No need to change anything, sir. Then click on next. Okay, now here the picture will start. Actual picture. This is the main thing, sir. Service accounts. Okay, service accounts. So as as I told you, if application team is providing you the service account and password, you can choose your service account password, sir. Like go to here, click on search. Okay, provide your service account. Okay, service account and choose here and provide the password. Provide the password. Come on here, why it is too much slow? Provide the password. So when you are installing on your local laptop, sir, please maintain the password for your laptop. Okay, please maintain the password for your laptop. Okay, that is a mandatory. So maintain the service account for SQL Server agent and maintain the service account for the database engine. If they are providing for analysis service, maintain the service account for the analysis service. Otherwise, go and run default, sir. Analysis service will run with the default account. Integration service will run with the default account. Okay, until they are specifically telling that you need to run with the service account, then go on provide the service account. Otherwise, go on run with the default accounts. Make sense, everyone? Questions?
So we need to maintain same service account and password for every service
No,
here.
no, sir. Agent service, distribution service, database engine, agent basically will maintain the same.
Okay.
Okay, but some projects, agent they will maintain separate account, database engine they will maintain service separate account. That depends, sir. That
So what is
depends
the
on your
best practice for this?
maintain two different accounts. That is good
Okay.
because agent is for automation purpose. Agent is for automation purpose. Database engine is your engine, sir. Engine service. Basically, we also maintain two different accounts, sir. We won't maintain single account.
Why is that so, Subbu? Like any reasons for that?
Only one environment, sir, we maintain actually for 2008 and 8R2. Only for that instance only we will maintain two accounts. Rest we are maintaining only one account, sir. We ask why for only 2008 and 2008 R2 to our environment. Okay, when we are taking the KT, they told that there is a dependency for that applications. Okay, then chalo we agree. For rest, we have maintained single account.
Okay.
Security, sir, that's it. What you are doing here? Security. Oh, someone Nazis, you are doing. No, 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 no. Okay, security purpose. You can maintain separate accounts. That's what. Once we start the security only, you will get to know so all this stuff. No worries. Okay. Again, I will come back all these security concepts in the security. Mostly not next week, coming week. We will get after lock shipping and mirroring. We'll start the security, right? That time you will get everything. Okay. By default, browser service will run with the local accounts. What is browser service? How it is helping? What is SQL service? How it is helping? Okay. Now, sir, this is also very important. Okay. This technically you'll call it as a IFI, instance file installation. As of now, you no need to worry. Don't check anything, sir. This one. This option will help you to improve the performance when you are creating a database, restoring a database, altering the database, okay, moving the database. This instance file installation will help you. As of now, you no need to worry, sir. Don't check this option. Just keep it as it is. Just keep it as it is. As of now, I'm going to make a separate session for IFS. How IFS will help you in different scenarios. Why we need to enable this one? What is the drawback with this feature as well? We will discuss in separate session. As of now, no need to worry. Just ignore this feature. Please make a note down. Now go to the collation. Collation. Sir, collation is nothing but language. Language. Okay. Language. So for example, Spanish language, Japanese language. By default, you will see the Latin. Nothing but English language, sir, by default. So if you want to customize, sir, this is very important. You should not forget. Okay. When a- when you specially working with a ticket installation, if they are specifying telling that any okay collation name, if specifically they are telling collation name, by mistakenly you forget to select this collation, then you are gone. Then you are gone, sir. Again, you need to hectic process if you wanted to change the collation to the instance level. Please be careful if they are specifically telling the collation. If specifically they are telling the collation, okay, choose that right collation. Here you will see all the collation names. Spanish, Japanese, Chinese. You will get different languages here. They will tell you clearly, sir, what is the collation name exactly. Okay, that collation only you need to select because they want to they want along with English, they want their regional languages. They want to do some with regional languages. That's the reason they wanted to change the collations. So best thing, if they are telling, change the collation. If they are not telling, you no need to worry, sir. Getting my point, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, it should be. So generally
E-
by default it will be
Latin.
yeah.
By default, it will be Latin, sir. No need to change anything. Okay. In case by mistakenly you install the collation how you will change this collation. We have the separate session, sir. We are having separate session, no worries. Okay. So installation is not done, sir. It's having lots of components where we need to still discuss. That's the reason I am telling this is the basic installation. I hope you understood the concept
Yes,
because
Subbu.
we need to know about lots, sir. That going forward one day one going forward every week you will learn new things. Every week you learn new things. Then finally we will become somewhat expert in the installing the SQL servers. Okay, so language is also very important, sir. You need to be a little bit careful if they are specifying the collection name. Otherwise, go for the default, sir. Go for the default. You are not no need to think about anything. Go for the default. Either it can be cloud, it can be on premises. We will go for the default maximum until unless the application team come to you and ask that please please go and change the collation. That time only we will change the collation. Otherwise, no, sir. Fine.
Yeah, yes, Subbu.
Yeah. Any questions, others? Understanding, not understanding. Very simple, sir. You won't do all this stuff. Whatever I selected, just click on next, next, next. That's it only. But you need to know about, sir. If we do anything, what will happen? If you not selected this feature, how to enable these features? All we will see, sir, in going forward. So that's what I am telling. This is our basic SQL installation. Okay, that is a one thing. No questions, right? Before I go to the next.
No, Subbu. One thing is just a startup type. Maybe you're gonna cover next week. I'm not sure. So
Which one, sir?
startup types
Oh,
after
startup
the
parameters. Startup parameters. No. What is startup type? Startup parameters, you mean to say?
no, so here for service accounts, they we have a startup type, right? Service things, SQL agent startup type,
Automatic manual is
Oh,
automatic.
this one. This one will
Yeah.
keep automatic only, sir. Okay.
Okay, okay.
This one will keep automatic. Oh, sorry. Okay, this one will keep automatic.
So in real world also, like we'll keep this automatic only.
Ah,
So
otherwise, sir, if someone restart the server, if SQL is not coming online, then gone.
okay, okay, yeah.
Why it is automatic? Automatically SQL will come to online, right? Even you
Okay,
restart the server.
yeah. Okay,
Okay,
I
if you
don't know
do
about that. So
if you make it manual, you need to go and start the SQL service. So never keep in manual, sir. Okay.
yeah,
So
okay.
keep always in automatic. Oh, this one. Okay, okay. Good.
Yeah, I don't know about that. So that's why I asked.
Okay, you need to keep automatic, sir.
Okay, okay.
Any questions still?
no Subbu.
Okay, Sunil, Sangeeta, Rahul, getting, not getting.
But for server browser, there is no need to password.
Sorry.
For server browser, there is no
Oh,
need to
SQL browser.
password.
SQL Server browser by default it will run with the default account only, sir. And this is powerful service. We'll see on Monday.
Okay, okay.
We'll discuss all these services theoretical, sir. You need to know about these services. We are installing, that's it. Once we install, we need to know a little bit more about each and every service. That you will get on Monday. Okay. Then click on next. Yeah. Here, here, this is the window, sir. Before SQL Server 2016, before SQL Server 2016, we are having server configuration manager, data directories, and file stream. Only three windows, sir. Before SQL Server 2016, only three windows. From SQL Server 2016, you got one window called tempdb. You got one window called tempdb. From SQL Server 2019, you got maxdrop, you got memory. Not 2000. These three windows added after SQL Server 2016, sir. Not before SQL Server 2016. Until SQL Server 2016, we are having only these three windows. Only these three windows. From SQL Server 2016, Microsoft added one window called TempDB. TempDB. Microsoft added TempDB from SQL Server 2016. Okay, Microsoft added this window. This window. So, for example, I am little bit confusing Subbu. What you can do? How I can help you in this part means SQL Server 2000. Okay, I need to install every version, Subbu. No need, sir. That is blah thing. Okay, installation step by step. Okay, SQL Server 2017 installation. Okay, installation. SQL Server 2019 installation. Okay, SQL Server 2022 installation. So forget about 2022. We'll see it later, sir. Now, let me find a block where it get the screenshots. Anyone is providing the screenshots. Yeah, he is providing the screenshots. Go to here, go to here, go to here, go to here. Yeah, now see, in SQL Server 2016, this is SQL Server 2016, sir. In SQL Server 2016, we have only TempDB added. Getting my point? Only TempDB window has been added. In 2017, okay, in 2017, let's see. Okay, only TempDB. There is nothing is added in 2017. But when you go for 2019, this Windows has been added. Max drop memory. I hope you are getting my point. 2016, only one window added, that is nothing but TempDB. 2017, nothing is added, sir. 2019, Microsoft added max drop and along with the memory in the installation itself. You can set the max drop value, you can set the memory value, you can configure TempDB while you are installing SQL itself. This is the three windows added in the year 2016 and 2019. So if you wanted to get strong, that's it, sir. Just see that every window, what is the difference? See, in 2017, okay, this is not fully showing, sir. Okay, let's go for any other. Ten minutes. Okay, this window is also not showing. Somewhere you will get it, sir. Go for multiple blocks, you will get a complete screens. Whether I need to install or every version I need to install, Subbu, literally no need, sir. Okay, see, almost same only. In the installation window, yeah, see, reporting services has been introduced on SQL Server 2019, and this window has been added in 2016, and these two windows has been added in the 2019. You need to remember this, sir. Someone may ask you a question call, what are the major changes you notice when you are installing SQL Server? So till SQL Server 2016, from SQL Server 2016, sir. Okay, from SQL Server 2016, you will see a new window has been TempDB has been added from SQL Server 2016, and SSMS has been separated. Reporting services also has been separated. Okay, along with max drop and memory has been added while the installation. Okay, this
Subbu,
has
like HSMS was removed from 2016, and
16,
yeah, and the reporting services were
2017,
removed from 2017, right? Like, yeah.
17.
So one addition, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, correct.
And max drop memory has been added in 2019.
19, yeah,
TempDBs has been added in 2016.
16. Yeah.
You need to remember these 5 things, sir. 5 things. Okay. And you will get 2 to 3 more points in 2022 as well. When I'm installing 2022, I will let you know what are the major enhancement done in the installation, especially if you go for 2022. Okay. That I will show you in the clusters. Make sense? 2022 always on availability group. That time I will explain you, sir. No need to worry. Clear? Not clear? These are the 5 changes you need to remember, sir. Very rare case you will get the question, what are the major changes Microsoft released in the installation? SSMS has been separated, TempDB window has been added, MaxDrop window has been added, memory window has been added, a reporting service has been separated. Okay? Rest everything same, sir. So now if you go to these images, take the screenshots, okay, and keep it somewhere, sir, for your handy purpose. Just only the screenshots, only change the screenshot. You don't need all the screenshots. First time you are listening, that's good. Okay, now we'll see one by one, sir. Okay, now I told you, right? Authentication mode. You remember authentication mode. We are having 2 authentication mode. One is Windows authentication mode. One is SQL authentication mode. So this is very important. Okay, Windows authentication mode, SQL authentication mode. Better go for SQL mixed mode only, sir. Why means, for example, you are going for Windows mode, you install SQL Server. If you wanted to change to mixed mode, again you need downtime. Again you need to take 5 minutes downtime if you wanted to switch the authentication modes after installing SQL Server. So better go for mixed mode only. Okay, to avoid downtime in future, in future, in future. That only 5 minutes, sir. Just only five minutes. 5 minutes is good. Means you need to restart the SQL if you are changing these configurations after you install SQL. So better, my suggestion is go for mixed mode. Go for mixed mode, sir. And the people who are not understanding about entire this window, no worries. I will discuss in this window in the security session. Make a note. What is this mixed mode? What is that Windows mode? What we are doing here? Everything we'll discuss in the security. Okay. Just prefer mixed mode, sir. When you prefer mixed mode, okay, you will need to provide the password for SA. The first time you are listening, like Sunil or someone who are listening, you won't understood this concept, sir. No worries. Again, I will come back this concept in the security. Okay. We will discuss again this concept, everything in detail in security concepts, sir. Okay, provide the password for SA. So I am providing like 123. Okay, you don't provide 123, sir. In real world, provide some unique name, SA account password. Okay, please make a note down somewhere this password. You need to make a note down. Okay, this is also one important point. And this window is very, very important, sir. Here. So at least one account you need to add here. Either it can be group, it can be individual login. At least one user you need to add here. So whatever the logins you are adding here, by default, these logins will get the sysadmin permission. Then you may ask, what is sysadmin? So that's what, sir. Okay. By default, you will get the sysadmin permission if you add anyone here. So if you click on, okay, click on add, and you are granting the permission to me for I am so I am granting permission to me here. Okay, so when I grant the login here, by default, this login will get the sysadmin. Means he can do anything in the SQL server. So better what you need to do means click on add current user, not in real world, sir. In your laptop. In your laptop, click add current user. In real world, in real world, you need to click add and you need to provide your group name. DBA, okay, underscore SQL underscore UG. Okay, and you need to go to the object type and you need to select the group. You need to select the group. If you wanted to add the group here, okay, in real world. In real world, we will add the groups. We will add the groups. So better what you need to do first add your group. Add your group. So whoever been part of here, they are contains highest privilege. Means they can do everything in the SQL. They can do everything in the SQL. Only DPS groups need to be part of here, sir. No other groups. We should not encourage application team to grant the sysadmin. No, you should not grant the permission to sysadmin. No team should maintain the sysadmin. Only DBA team need to maintain the sysadmin until unless there is a need. Until unless there is a need, we never grant the sysadmin to anyone. Okay? So
So even our service accounts also needs to be
no,
added here.
you should not add the service accounts here. No,
Okay.
no, nothing. You should not add anything here. Only your groups. Your groups are your team group. Okay? Because that will contains the highest privilege. Okay, service account also you should not add, sir. Please make a note on. No worries, the people who are not understanding this window, again I will come back in the security session. Okay, now data directories. I told you, right? Data files need to go for OneDrive, log files need to go for OneDrive, backups need to go for OneDrive, correct? Yes or no? Data files need to go for OneDrive, log files need to go for OneDrive, temp temp need to go for OneDrive, backups need to go for OneDrive. Currently on your laptop, you are having only one disk, sir. Mostly you will have C drive or one more drive. Okay, better what you can do, right? Keep data files in C drive, for example, C drive, log files in D drive, even tempdb also in D drive, backups in D drive, and tempdb in D drive. Sir, I am not discussing anything about what is this number of files, initial size, auto growth, all this stuff. As of now, go for default. You should not change anything, sir, when you are installing on your laptop. Don't change anything as of now because you don't know about what is TempDB first. You don't know about what is max drop. You don't know about what is memory, what is file stream. Don't touch any one of this. Just go for the default. That's what, sir. Bear for me one more month. Again, I will show you the installation in clusters. Again, I will show you installation in always on. Correct? That time I will show you complete real world installation. Make a sense, everyone? That time you can understand because you already familiar with the SQL. You know how SQL is working, how the what is the database, what is TempDB, all that stuff. At least you know, sir. That time you can understand. This time it's very hard to understood. So don't change anything, sir. Go for default currently. Make a sense, everyone? Yes?
Yeah,
No.
yes. Yeah.
Go for default. Don't touch anything, sir. Except this one. Choose the mixed, provide the password, provide your login name. That's it, sir. Go for default. So file stream, no need to enable, sir, as of now. This is a separate feature. If they want file stream, we will enable. Otherwise, will never enable, sir. And what about memory, Subbu? Whatever max drop, Subbu? What is about MDB? Max drop is very, very important concept where we are going to spend almost 3 hours. Need to spend 3 hours at least. I can't say in just 2 to 3 minutes. No, it's not possible. TempDB almost we will spend six to 8 hours. Okay, I can't say now about the TempDB, sir. Okay, just go for default. You no need to worry as of now. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, then click on next. Okay, this is related to the analysis service, sir. You need to ask, if they are asking analysis team is to install, whether I need to configure analysis service in the multi-dimensional mode or tabular mode or PowerPoint mode. Okay, you need to check with them which mode I need to install analysis service. Don't blindly uninstall install the analysis service, sir. Take the screenshot, tell them which mode I need to install. Tabular mode I need to install, PowerPoint mode I need to install, multi-dimensional and data mining mode I need to install. They know, sir, not you. You don't know, I don't know, no one knows, sir. Okay. So which mode I need to install, check with them. Definitely they will tell you, sir. Choose that mode, and here also grant for your permission, sir. Grant your login. Grant your login. And where I need to keep my always on database data files. Where I wanted to keep, not always on, here. Analysis service, data files and log files. This is also very important. Okay, try to create a separate drive for analysis service, sir, if they are using, okay, more complex analysis services. Try to create a separate drive for analysis service and keep the analysis service files in that drive instead of keeping in our drives. Okay, that is also one best practice. That is also one best practice you should follow. Once you select everything, just click on next, and everything you got files are, and complete whatever you selected. Complete whatever you selected that is available in the config file. Okay. Next time, next time, if I wanted to install with the same configuration, okay, next time, if you wanted to install with the same configuration, I don't want to change anything. I wanted to install with the same configuration. For example, no need to go this, open the setup file, click on next, click on next, click on next. You can install with the config file as well. Okay. Next week, I will show you, sir, how to install with the config file as well. SQL Server. And just click on install. It will install the SQL Server. That's it, sir. So very simple, because I explained every component, right? That's the reason this much time it took. Basically, for you people, just open the setup file, choose the license. Okay, choose the check the license box, choose the features, choose provide the service account, provide the collation. Okay, choose the authentication mode, choose the directories, tempdb, then click on install. Apart from nothing else you will do in real world. Over to you, sir. Questions.
So Subbu, like, will show us like uninstallation process as well. Like, if suppose we face the issue in the real time, so
Oh,
can
uninstall. Yeah,
yeah.
just you need to go to the control panel and install only, sir. Nothing.
I mean, you said like some other registries and all, right?
Oh, that one I told you, right?
Yes.
In case it got stuck. In case it got stuck, that's what I shown you. In case it got stuck, right click, find, okay, SSAS, find, and you need to go one by one, delete.
So we can't read entire registry,
No,
and
no, sir.
as
No.
we have backup, right, Subbu, so we can directly.
You can export, sir. You can import, but don't do on your laptop, sir. Please.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay. Because last, I done with my old laptop. Arey yaar, my registries are like anything.
Okay, okay.
Okay, don't do all that stuff, sir.
So in
If you
real
want,
time,
if you
yeah.
want, I will show in clusters when we are building the clusters. We can do because those are VMs.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. We'll remember you at that time.
Yeah. I'm not installing, sir. I already having one mission. That's good for me as of now. Okay.
Click no. Okay.
Questions. Monday I will explain you, sir. In case if it got failed, what you will do.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
sure.
So again, I'm not troubleshooting. Okay, I just briefly explain. Okay. Troubleshooting everything you will get after 45 days, sir.
Okay.
Clear, not clear? At least 70%, 75% you got the info? Not
Yes, sir.
100%, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Subbu. All
Very easy, sir. Don't make complex. Okay, the first time the people it's like a complex. Going forward, it is very easy, sir.
So we need to install SSMS separately, right? For this one.
Yeah, yes. I will show you on Monday. It's
Yeah.
been late, almost 2.5 hours. I
Yeah.
thought,
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
okay. No worries. Any questions before we stop, sir?
Okay. We'll continue on Monday, Subhi.
Yeah. Any questions, others?
We clear.
Clear. Others.
Thank you, Subbu.
Yeah, thank you. Have a great weekend. Enjoy. Please be safe.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you, Subbu.
Yeah, thank you.